Hello kids. Today I am going to tell you 5th class maths 9th chapter maths and roots. Before starting, what is a map? We'll clarify that a map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface. So what is a map? It is nothing but representation of earth's surface. Okay, a part, it may be a part of it or completely earth. Okay, drawn on a flat surface, that is on a paper. If you draw on a paper, suppose there is a hospital, there is a school, some railway station. If you draw it on a paper, that is nothing but a map. Okay, map of that school or anything, whatever that place is. Okay, and if you draw about a city if you draw routes, all the things, that is nothing but a map. Okay, so understood what is a map? Now let's continue from your textbook, page number 87. Sheila, along with her mother, visited her grandmother in the village. How does grandma's house look like? Sheila had this question. Okay, Sheila's mother drew the following pictures and has shown to Vani. You can see the figures in the textbook. Sheila, this is how the house looks from outside. But how can I know how many rooms are there? How many doors and windows? So she was having doubt. Okay, from outside you can see the view of the house. But how many windows, how many doors, how many rooms, all these things we can't tell by seeing the outside view. Okay. Then the mother drew the following map. Okay. So another map she has drawn. You can see in the textbook. Okay, in this everything is mentioned: kitchen, small room, big room, bedroom, and left side, right side, trees are there, and front and back, everything is drawn here. Okay, the lower part of the map shows the front of the house. Trees, doors, windows, walls, and rooms are marked. Now do this. Look at the map and answer. First one, how many windows are there in the big room? So look at the map now. Big room, how many windows are there? So in the map you can see big room I have marked with red one. So how many windows are there? There are 2 windows. Similarly, next one, how many trees are there on the right side of the house? So you can see here, how many? 3 trees. Next one, how many doors are there in the small room? So in the small room you can see here there are three doors. One, it is connected to big room, one is bathroom, and one is kitchen. Okay, so totally 3 doors are there. So write down all the answers there. And next one, write the correct name to the following sign. So the symbols are given, you write the correct names for that. First one is tree, second one is window, third one is door, and fourth one is wall. Next one, how many rooms are there in the house? So totally how many rooms are there? Kitchen, small room, big room, and bathroom. So totally 4 rooms. Okay. Next, Sheila's room. Sheila decided to draw the floor map of her room. Look. So look at the floor map of the Sheila's room. Okay, she has drawn the floor map of her room. Try this. Look at Sheila's map and draw the symbols for the following. So chair, bed, door, how she has drawn? You try to draw here. Okay, I have drawn here. You draw neatly with pencil. Okay, next one, second one. Now look around your classroom and draw the floor map. Remember to draw the front of the room on the lower side of the paper. Mark the following on your floor map: blackboard, place where teacher stands, place where children sit, doors and windows. So you look at your classroom and draw that classroom floor map. Okay. So when you draw the classroom floor map, lower side, the front of the classroom should be lower side of the paper. Okay. And what you have to mark in that? Where the blackboard is and where the teacher stands and where children sit, and also the doors and windows. All these you have to cover in that floor map. Okay, this is your work. Try to do this yourself. Okay, do this. Can you match the floor map with the correct house? So here one floor map is given and 3 houses are given. So you have to map correct house. Okay, which one is the correct one? The middle one. Why? See, you can see 2 doors and 1 windows. Here also 2 doors and 1 window is there. Okay, understood? Next, route map to the school. A new boy Manoj had come to school. He did not know the way to school. So, the teacher drew a map to help him. So, you can see a map here, school map. Okay. See here, I have drawn roughly the route map from school to Manoj's house. So, here is a school. So, when Manoj come out of the school, so how he has to go to his house? So, once he come out of the school, so first he has to turn left. Okay, then what he has to do? He has to turn right side and walk straight. And here you can see the well. Near well he has to turn left and again walk straight. And the third house, first, second, third. Third house is Manoj's house. This is left side of him. Okay, so this is the route map of Manoj's house from school. Okay, do this. Fill in the blanks and tell Manoj the way from school to his home. Come out from the school, turn dash on the road, then walk straight and turn on the first dash, then again walk straight. You will see a well, turn dash. The third house is Manoj's house. So already I have told the answers. So you try to write on your own. And here answers also I have written. So just recheck it. Okay. So without seeing, you first write down, and then afterwards you recheck the answers. Okay. So answers will be left, right, left. Okay. Next, do this. So some map is given here. Okay, see the map. Look at the map given above. A bit. If you walk from Cinema Supreme to Star Hotel, Chauhan's restaurant is on which side? So you can see there. Okay, Cinema Supreme and Star Hotel is there. Right side is Star Hotel and left side is Supreme in your picture. So if you walk from that side to this side, so Chauhan's restaurant is which side? So when you're walking in that direction, left side you'll be getting Chauhan's restaurant. Okay. Next, B1. Sheila is at Silver Gym. Tell her the way from gym to Vasha Hospital emergency room. So Sheila is at Silver Gym. Silver Gym is you can see their back side. Okay. From that she has to go to Vasha Hospital emergency room. So she has to turn left and go straight. Again turn right. Go straight. Again left. Again right. And if she goes straight, left side will be the Vasha Hospital and you can see their emergency room. Okay, so that map you draw it and you write all these steps. Okay, which side she has to turn every time. You have to write everything. So that is the route map. Okay, understood what are maps now? So map is nothing but a route which way you will be going. Okay, so if you are going to some place, okay, some temple, you'll be asking some person or have to go there. So they'll be telling go straight, left, turn left or right, like that. They'll be telling the route. Okay, that is nothing but the route of that map. Okay, understood what are the maps? In next class we'll meet again. Bye kids.